Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the first video lecture of the chapter Combustion and Flame. Before directly going into chapter, first I will discuss the heading, means the topic which says, what do you mean by combustion and the flame? Combustion commonly we called as burning, but when we are going to define the term combustion, it is a chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen to produce heat and light is called combustion. Means burning something is called combustion. For example, you take in class 4, you have seen that magnesium ribbon, when it is lighted, it burns with the dazzling light, very bright light. So that is combustion. You take a piece of coal and burn it, hold it with the tongue and place it in front of the flame of Bunsen burner. After some time the coal will become red hot and that coal is burning. So this process of chemical reaction between the object and the oxygen to produce light and heat is called combustion. Okay. Next is flame. Have you seen a candle? This reason is called flame. What happens here? See, when we light the wick of, ये धागा जो निकला होता है उसको wick कहते हैं. When you light the wick, the cotton of the wick will burn and it will melt the wax surrounding the wick, and that melted wax will rise in the wick due to capillary action and it will burn here. So what I am saying, what is flame? Flame is the reason of combustion of fuel. Here fuel is the molten wax. So flame is the reason of combustion of fuel in gaseous form is called flame. Okay. So we will see the definition. See, combustion. A chemical process in which oxygen react with a substance to produce heat and light. Light may or may not be produced. May or may not be produced is called combustion. Okay. Next is flame. Flame is a reason. Flame is a reason where combustion of fuel in gaseous form. Flame is the reason where combustion of fuel takes place. So what is combustion and what is flame? You know. Next is fuel. See, for a combustion to take place, there must be something that is burning. The substance that is burned with an aim to produce heat and light is called fuel. So anything that is burned due to, means we burn something for producing heat or light, is called fuel. Okay, so what is fuel? Definition of fuel: a substance that is burnt with a view to obtain heat or heat and light. A substance that is burned with a view to obtain heat and light is called fuel. Okay, the substance that is burned in the view with a view to obtain heat and light is called fuel. Example of fuel: coal, petrol, kerosene, etc. These all are carbon based fuel, means they have carbon content, so it is called carbon based fuel. And hydrogen is non carbon based fuel. Okay, so what is combustion, what is flame, and what is fuel? Okay, next topic is combustible substance and non-combustible substance. Combustible substance, the substance that burn easily to produce heat and light, is called combustible substance. For example, paper, wood, cloth, these all are the example of combustible substance. Non-combustible substance that do not burn is called non-combustible substance. For example, steel spoon, for example, stone, for example, glass. These all are the example of non-combustible substance. So what is combustible substance? Substance that burn easily to produce heat and light is called combustible substance. Example: paper, cloth, wood, dry leaves. These all are the example of combustible substance. Non-combustible substance that do not burn is called non-combustible substance. Example: steel, spoon, stone, glass. These all are the example of non-combustible substance. So we have discussed what is combustion, we have discussed what is flame, what is fuel. Two types of fuel we have discussed: carbon based fuel and non carbon based fuel. Next we have discussed combustible and non combustible substance. One small thing I want you all to do. You know what is fuel, right? So Since childhood we know that food that we eat that gives us energy. So food is also a kind of fuel. So it get broken inside our body by respiration. So the energy that we get from the food is due to respiration, and here energy that we get from burning coal means that is due to combustion. So I want you all to do one work for me. Find difference between respiration and combustion. That will be extra work for you. I want everyone to do this work. Difference between respiration and combustion. Everyone should write and they should show it to me. What is the difference between combustion and respiration? Remaining tomorrow I will discuss what is respiration and combustion. Okay. Thank you for the